Step into the 2007 Mercury Mariner Convenience. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are folding rear seats, multi-function steering wheel, rear window defroster, power windows, power mirrors, reading light, and cruise control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.